In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your favorites or your bookmarks that you have saved in Internet Explorer. In Internet Explorer, you're going to click on the Favorites button, and when you get to Favorites, you're going to go down to Add to Favorites, and we're going to click on this little down arrow next to Add to Favorites. We're going to select Import and Export. How do you want to import or export your browser settings? We want to export to a file. Click Next. What would you like to export? At a minimum, you need to select favorites. You really don't need to probably select feeds or cookies. Favorites, those are your bookmarks. Click Next. Select the folder that you want to export your favorites from. Now, I have some other folders where I have saved bookmarks into. As long as you select the topmost folder, which is, in my case, it's called favorites, it's probably the same for you, you'll get all of this data too. So I'm going to select favorites, click Next. Now we're going to type or browse to a file name. So we want to find a place where we can save this bookmarks file. So we're going to click Browse. Now, you don't want to save it on your computer, so don't save it into My Documents or don't save it on your desktop. You want to save it onto network storage. The H drive is jam-packed full. So Pat has set up a temporary drive for you to be able to store your files that are currently on your computer. So on your under My Computer, you should see a drive called the Z drive. This is where we want you to save your temporary things that are on your computer now that you need to get off of it because the H drive is full. So find that Z drive and click on it. And then you want to give this file a name so that you know what it is. So I'm going to call mine Favorites from IE. So I know that this is my favorites or my bookmarks from IE, and I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Okay, now where I've got my file set, I'm going to go ahead and click Export. It'll take a few seconds, and it will tell you you have successfully exported these settings, and we're going to go ahead and click Finish. That's all you need to do to export your favorites. Then when you come back to school next year, you'll be able to import them into your new browser.